Okay, welcome to the mobile GDO demo video. In this video I'm going to give a brief outline on how the mobile GDO works and how it opens and closes your garage door and tells you whether your door is open or closed. As you can see here, we have a mobile GDO hooked up, powered up, and with the sensor magnet sensors hooked up, just in short little wires so we can demonstrate. So let me start. You can see the LEDs are flashing, alternating in a quick pattern. This tells you that it's in setup mode. And when it's in setup mode, what you can do is you go to your iPhone and you make a connection to the mobile GDO. How you do that is you go into your Wi-Fi settings and you look for a network called MGDO 104. The 104 is the version of the firmware that's on the mobile GDO. And that's the network you want to connect to. So now what it's done is it's created what's called an ad hoc connection directly with the mobile GDO. Now that you've made that connection, you can get out of settings, go to the mobile GDO app, and hit the little disclosure button there, go into opener settings, and you can now program it. Well, first the app has to search for it and make sure that it's got a proper connection with the mobile GDO. At the bottom you can see it says they're searching for device, and as soon as it is happy that it's made a good connection, you'll see the send config and the get config buttons will show up. So we can get the config right now and it will communicate with the mobile GDO and it'll return what the current settings are in the device. And it returns with a pop-up window that tells you all of its current settings. We'll just cancel out of that. At the same time, once we've made the settings for the network that you need to connect your network, and this is outlined in our installation documents on TekDevices.com, once all this information is in, you can click Send Config and it sends it off to the device and stores it in there. But we've already done this, so this guy is ready to go. So I'm going to get out of here and just show you a couple other things. These are your WAN settings. So in here, this is the IP address and the ports that you would connect to from outside your network that get forwarded to the mobile GDO on your local network. And then of course you've got your app settings. And so now that the settings have been set up on the mobile GDO, what you do is you go back to the settings button here and connect back to the network that the mobile GDO is on. In this case, the network's called Rattlesnake. Now on this device, on the device itself, we have to switch out of setup mode and into normal mode. There's a little switch on the side here. Hit the switch, you see the LEDs will change. It's blinking just to let you know that it's connecting to the network. If it has a successful connection, the LEDs will start to blink in unison slowly. There we go. It has a connection now to the network. Now that we have a connection to the network, we can go back to the mobile GDO app. Here it is. And we can click Get Door Status. And then what it does is it goes out on the network and it communicates with the mobile GDO. Now it's saying it's moved or stopped part way. And the reason why it's saying that is because if you notice, the two sensors here, one is for closed and one is for open, they don't have a magnet close to them. So watch, I'm going to bring a sensor in that will be connected to your door, so it'll show you, or connected actually to the chain. So when those two magnets come close together, it tells the mobile GDO that your door is, in this case, closed. So now if I click Get Status, communicates, it comes back and it indicates that the door is closed. Similarly, when your door opens, this magnet will move away from that sensor. This magnet moves close to that one. Hit. And now it tells you that your door is open. Now how all these sensors get hooked up and how the mobile GDO gets installed on your garage door opener is outlined in our instruction manual. Plus I'll have some dedicated videos up on the website soon that'll go through how the installation is done. Now if you click Activate Opener, I'm going to be really quiet, you should be able to hear it. There's a little internal relay that connects to these ports right here, and that is basically the same circuit as the switch that you have on your wall to open and close your garage door. So this just mimics that operation of you pushing the button. Instead of you pushing the button, the mobile GDO pushes the button. And of course you activate that from on the network. So I'm going to click this and you should hear the relay click. Do it nice and quiet. Hopefully you heard that. Click, click. And that's the internal relay going off. And if this was hooked up to your garage door right now, your garage door would be either opening or closing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your mobile GDO garage door opener.